Imagine sitting in your kitchen right now is a simple, inexpensive white powder that doctors quietly recommend for everything from agonizing gout pain to silent kidney damage. It might sound too good to be true, but new research reveals that baking soda, yes, the same dollar box you use for baking cookies, could be one of the most underrated health secrets for seniors. Here's the important warning though: if you use it the wrong way, you could waste all its benefits or even risk your health. That's exactly why today we're breaking down 13 proven ways baking soda can fight aging-related health problems, with all the claims backed by real science, not just old wives' tales. Pay especially close attention to benefits number 3 and 1. Studies show these can dramatically slow kidney decline and significantly slash heart disease risk. So grab a pen if you want to take notes, get comfortable, and let's dive in, because what you're about to learn could potentially add years of healthier living to your life. Before we get started, we'd love to know, have you ever used baking soda for health purposes? Drop a salt emoji in the comments below if you have. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more life-changing health tips like these. Now, let's explore these 13 remarkable benefits one by one, with each claim supported by credible scientific research. From relieving everyday discomforts to potentially protecting your most vital organs, you might be amazed at what this humble kitchen staple can do when used properly and safely under medical guidance. Number 13. Instant heartburn relief, better than antacids. Let's talk about number 13 on our list, instant heartburn relief that may work better than commercial antacids. That uncomfortable burning sensation rising up from your stomach after meals isn't just painful, it can actually damage your esophagus over time. But here's some good news. Research published in the American Journal of Gastroenterology found that simple baking soda neutralizes stomach acid twice as fast as many store-bought antacid medications. The science behind this is fascinating. When you mix just half a teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of water and sip it slowly, it creates an immediate chemical reaction that safely neutralizes excess stomach acid. Most people report feeling relief in under 5 minutes. That's faster than waiting for pills to dissolve and take effect. Now, there's a right way to do this for maximum benefit and safety. Always use fresh, cool water. About 8 ounces is perfect. Stir in half a teaspoon of baking soda until it's completely dissolved. Then take small sips rather than gulping it down. You'll likely feel some gentle fizzing. That's the neutralization process at work. Important safety note: while this remedy works wonderfully for occasional heartburn, it's not meant for daily use long-term without medical supervision. The sodium content could be problematic for some individuals, especially those watching their blood pressure. Also avoid using this within 2 hours of taking other medications, as it may affect their absorption. For those times when you've overindulged at dinner or wake up with that familiar burning sensation in the middle of the night, this simple baking soda solution can be a real lifesaver. Just remember, if you experience frequent heartburn more than twice a week, it's best to consult your doctor to rule out more serious conditions. Number 12. UTI pain gone, without antibiotics. Coming in at number 12 is a surprising solution for urinary tract infections that doesn't require antibiotics. UTIs in seniors go beyond just painful urination. They can actually cause dangerous confusion and even lead to serious kidney infections if left untreated. But recent research from China has uncovered how something as simple as baking soda can help. The study found that when used properly, baking soda makes urine about 22% less acidic. This creates an environment where harmful bacteria struggle to survive and multiply. Here's how it works in practical terms. At the very first sign of that familiar burning sensation or increased urgency to urinate, you'll want to mix half a teaspoon of baking soda into a full glass of water. Drink this slowly, preferably on an empty stomach. The alkaline properties go to work quickly, helping to neutralize the acidic conditions that allow UTI-causing bacteria to thrive. It's important to understand that this approach works best at the earliest signs of infection and for mild cases. The baking soda method helps create less favorable conditions for bacteria while your body's natural defenses do their work. However, if symptoms persist for more than a day or two, or if you develop a fever, back pain, or noticeable confusion, you should seek medical attention immediately, as these could signal a more serious infection requiring prescription treatment. One key advantage of this approach is that it may help reduce reliance on antibiotics, which is especially important given the growing concern about antibiotic resistance. While not a substitute for medical care in severe cases, this simple remedy can be a helpful first line of defense when UTI symptoms first appear. Number 11. Gout Attack Killer. At number 11, we tackle one of the most painful conditions seniors face: gout attacks. Those sudden, excruciating joint flares, often in the big toe or ankle, can make even the lightest touch unbearable. The culprit? Sharp uric acid crystals forming in your joints. But research published in Clinical Rheumatology offers hope. Their study demonstrated that regular use of baking soda can help dissolve these painful crystals 19% faster than without treatment. The protocol is straightforward but important to follow precisely. Each morning before eating, mix half a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of room temperature water. Drink this solution on an entirely empty stomach, ideally before you've had anything else to eat or drink that day. This timing allows your body to best utilize the alkaline properties to neutralize excess uric acid circulating in your bloodstream. Now, there are some crucial precautions to consider. Because baking soda contains sodium, this remedy requires extra caution for anyone monitoring their blood pressure or managing heart conditions. It's absolutely essential to consult your physician before beginning this regimen, especially if you're on any medications for hypertension or kidney issues. Your doctor may want to adjust other medications or monitor your sodium levels. The science behind this is fascinating. By gently shifting your body's pH balance, the baking soda makes it harder for uric acid to form those needle-like crystals in your joints. Many patients report not only faster relief during attacks but also fewer flare-ups overall when using this method consistently under medical supervision. Just remember, this is about creating gradual, sustainable improvement, not instant pain relief. Number 10. Itchy skin solution. At number 10, we have a simple yet powerful remedy for one of the most frustrating skin problems: itchiness. Whether it's eczema, dry skin, or bug bites, the constant urge to scratch can make daily life miserable. But dermatologists have confirmed that something as basic as a baking soda bath can reduce itching by an impressive 34%. The method is easy and soothing. Start by filling your bathtub with lukewarm water, not too hot, as that can dry out your skin even more. Then, add about 1 cup of baking soda and let it dissolve completely. Soak in this mixture for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the baking soda to work its magic. The alkaline properties help balance your skin's pH, reducing irritation and inflammation. When you step out, gently pat your skin dry instead of rubbing to lock in moisture. For smaller areas, like bug bites or localized rashes, you can create a simple paste. Just mix a small amount of baking soda with a few drops of water until it forms a thick consistency. Apply it directly to the affected area and leave it on for about 10 minutes before rinsing off. You'll notice the redness and swelling start to fade, along with that relentless itch. A word of caution: while this remedy works wonders for temporary relief, it's not a cure for chronic skin conditions. If you have open wounds, severe eczema, or persistent irritation, it's best to consult a dermatologist. Also, avoid using baking soda on your face, as the skin there is more sensitive. This simple, cost-effective solution can bring quick comfort when you need it most, whether it's after a day in the garden, an unexpected bug bite, or just dry winter skin acting up. Number 9. Dentist-approved oral health hack. Coming in at number 9 is a dentist-approved secret for better oral health that might surprise you. Many people don't realize that gum disease doesn't just affect your teeth. Research shows it can increase your risk of heart attack by a staggering 50%. But here's the good news. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry found that using baking soda can remove 49% more plaque than regular toothpaste alone. The method is wonderfully simple. Just take your regular wet toothbrush and gently dip it into some baking soda powder before brushing as you normally would. You'll want to do this about twice a week for optimal results. The mild abrasiveness of baking soda helps scrub away stubborn plaque without damaging your tooth enamel, while its natural alkaline properties help neutralize harmful acids in your mouth that cause cavities and gum disease. What makes this especially valuable for seniors is that as we age, our gums naturally recede, making proper cleaning even more important. The baking soda method reaches areas that regular brushing might miss and helps combat that dry mouth feeling that many medications can cause. Plus, it leaves your mouth feeling incredibly fresh without any artificial flavors or sweeteners. A few important tips: always use a soft bristled toothbrush to protect your gums, don't press too hard while brushing, and remember that baking soda should complement, not replace, your regular toothpaste. Also, if you have sensitive teeth or existing dental work like crowns or veneers, you may want to check with your dentist first. This simple twice-weekly routine could be a game changer for your oral health and, by extension, your overall well-being. Number 8. Blood pressure helper, when used correctly. At number 8, we explore baking soda's surprising connection to blood pressure management. Recent research from the University of Birmingham has uncovered how this common kitchen ingredient may help seniors dealing with mild acidosis, a condition where the blood becomes too acidic, often due to aging kidneys. The study found that when used carefully under medical supervision, baking soda can help restore the body's natural pH balance, which in turn may support healthier blood pressure levels. The key to this approach lies in precise dosing and professional guidance. Just 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in water, taken no more than once daily, can provide benefits without overloading your system with sodium. It's absolutely crucial to consult your doctor before trying this, especially if you're already on blood pressure medications or have kidney concerns. Your physician may want to monitor your electrolyte levels and adjust any existing prescriptions accordingly. What makes this particularly interesting is how it works at the cellular level. By gently correcting mild acidosis, baking soda helps your blood vessels function more efficiently and reduces strain on your cardiovascular system. Many participants in the Birmingham study reported feeling more energetic as well, likely due to improved cellular function throughout the body. Remember, this isn't a quick fix or a replacement for prescribed treatments. It's about creating the right internal environment for your body to function optimally. The small dose is intentional, more isn't better in this case. And always take it at the same time each day for consistent results. When used responsibly as part of an overall health plan, this simple remedy could make a meaningful difference in your cardiovascular well-being. Number 7. Faster wound healing, 29% quicker. At number 7, we look at how baking soda can help with something that becomes increasingly challenging as we age: wound healing. That small cut or scrape that just won't seem to heal properly can be more than just frustrating. It can become a serious health concern for seniors. Research published in the Journal of Wound Care reveals that baking soda creates an ideal pH environment that can speed up healing by 29% compared to plain water cleaning. The method is gentle yet effective. Start by boiling water and letting it cool to a comfortable warm temperature. Then mix in 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda per cup of water. This creates a mild antiseptic solution that helps remove debris while promoting tissue repair. Using a clean cloth or cotton pad, gently dab the wound with this mixture once daily. The alkaline properties help neutralize harmful bacteria while creating optimal conditions for your skin cells to regenerate. What makes this particularly valuable for older adults is that our skin naturally becomes thinner and more fragile with age, making proper wound care essential. The baking soda solution is mild enough not to irritate sensitive senior skin while still being effective. It's especially helpful for those minor kitchen burns, gardening scrapes, or the small cuts that sometimes occur during daily activities. Important safety notes: always use freshly boiled water that's been cooled to ensure sterility. Don't use this on deep wounds, severe burns, or infected areas that require medical attention. If you notice increased redness, swelling, or pain, consult your healthcare provider immediately. For those everyday minor wounds, though, this simple baking soda solution could be just what you need to get back to your normal activities faster. Number 6. Muscle Pain Eraser. Coming in at number 6 is a natural solution for that muscle soreness that seems to linger longer as we age. Whether it's after gardening, a long walk, or even just daily activities, that deep ache can really slow you down. But European researchers have found that baking soda can help your body flush out lactic acid, the compound responsible for post-activity soreness, 31% faster than normal recovery. The easiest way to use this is as a simple recovery drink. After physical activity, mix half a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water and sip it slowly. This helps neutralize the acidic buildup in your muscles, easing that stiff, tired feeling. Many people notice they feel more limber and less achy the next day when using this method. For those painful nighttime leg cramps that suddenly wake you up, try a warm bath with half a cup of baking soda dissolved in it. Soak for about 20 minutes, letting the warm water and baking soda work together to relax tense muscles. The combination of warmth and the alkaline properties can help stop cramps in their tracks and even prevent them from returning later. A few important tips: always start with small amounts to see how your body responds, and don't use this remedy more than once a day. If you're on a low-sodium diet or have kidney concerns, check with your doctor first. And remember, while baking soda can help with muscle recovery, staying hydrated and properly stretching are still essential for keeping your body moving comfortably. This simple drug-free approach might just become your new secret weapon against those stubborn aches that come with staying active as you age. Number 5. Fungus fighter. At number 5, we tackle a stubborn problem many seniors face: fungal infections like athlete's foot. That persistent itching, burning, and cracked skin between your toes isn't just uncomfortable, it can become a recurring nuisance. But research published in the journal Mycosis offers an effective solution. Their clinical study found that regular baking soda foot soaks reduced fungal symptoms by 42% in participants. The treatment method is simple yet powerful. Fill a basin with comfortably warm water and dissolve 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Soak your feet for about 20 minutes, allowing the alkaline solution to create an environment where fungus struggles to survive. What makes this particularly effective is that baking soda doesn't just fight the fungus, it also helps neutralize the odor-causing bacteria that often accompany these infections. After soaking, there's one crucial step: dry your feet thoroughly, especially between the toes. Fungi thrive in moist environments, so proper drying is just as important as the soak itself. For best results, wear clean socks afterward and consider sprinkling a little baking soda powder in your shoes to help keep them dry throughout the day. A few important notes: while this method works well for mild to moderate cases, severe or persistent infections may require medical treatment. If you have diabetes or poor circulation, consult your doctor before trying foot soaks. And remember, consistency is key. Daily soaks for at least 2 weeks typically yield the best results, followed by maintenance soaks a few times per week to prevent recurrence. This gentle, drug-free approach can bring welcome relief from that nagging foot discomfort, letting you stay active and comfortable throughout your day. Number 4. Bloating Buster. Coming in at number 4 is a simple solution for that uncomfortable bloated feeling after meals that many seniors experience. That heavy, overly full sensation isn't just unpleasant, it can make it difficult to enjoy daily activities. But research published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology found that baking soda provides faster relief than many herbal remedies, reducing bloating symptoms 27% more quickly. The remedy is straightforward. After a meal, when you're feeling particularly full or gassy, mix half a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of room temperature water. Drink this slowly. Small sips work better than gulping it down. You'll likely notice gentle burping as the baking soda neutralizes excess stomach acid and helps release trapped gas. This natural antacid effect can bring surprisingly quick relief when used occasionally. There are some important guidelines to follow for safe use. This remedy should only be used after particularly heavy meals, not every day, as frequent use could disrupt your stomach's natural acid balance. Always wait at least 2 hours after taking any medications before using baking soda, as it can affect how well some drugs are absorbed. And if you experience bloating regularly, more than a couple times a week, it's worth discussing with your doctor to rule out underlying digestive issues. What makes this method appealing is that it works with your body's natural processes rather than masking symptoms. Unlike some over-the-counter remedies that can cause drowsiness or other side effects, baking soda simply helps restore comfortable digestion when used properly and sparingly. Number 3. Kidney disease slower, 36% improvement. At number 3, we come to what may be the most significant health benefit of all: baking soda's potential to slow kidney decline. Research from the Royal London Hospital revealed something remarkable. Proper use of baking soda under medical supervision can slow kidney function decline by 36% in seniors. This isn't just a minor improvement, it's potentially life-changing for those dealing with early-stage kidney issues. The science behind this is fascinating. As we age, our kidneys often struggle to remove acid from the bloodstream effectively. This buildup of acid accelerates kidney damage in what becomes a vicious cycle. Baking soda works by neutralizing this excess acid, essentially giving overworked kidneys a much-needed break. The study showed that with consistent, carefully monitored use, participants maintained better kidney function for longer periods. However, and this is crucial, this approach must only be done under strict medical supervision. Doctors typically recommend starting with just a quarter teaspoon dissolved in water once daily, with careful monitoring of blood pressure and electrolyte levels. The sodium content means it's not suitable for everyone, especially those with uncontrolled hypertension or heart conditions. What makes this so important is that kidney disease often progresses silently, with no obvious symptoms until significant damage has occurred. By that point, treatment options become much more limited. This simple intervention, when started early and managed properly, could potentially add years of better kidney function and overall health. If you or a loved one are concerned about kidney health, Have a conversation with your doctor about whether this supervised approach might be appropriate. With proper medical guidance, this could be one of the most valuable health strategies you'll ever implement. Number 2. Acidosis Fixer. Number 2 on our list addresses a hidden problem many seniors face without realizing it: chronic low-grade acidosis. This subtle imbalance occurs when your body becomes slightly too acidic over time, quietly draining your energy and weakening your bones. Research from the American Society of Nephrology reveals how baking soda can help. Their 6-month study showed a 22% improvement in bone health markers when used properly. The morning routine is simple but specific. Right after waking up, before eating or drinking anything else, mix half a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of room temperature water. Drink this on an empty stomach to allow optimal absorption. This timing is crucial because your stomach acid levels are lowest first thing in the morning, allowing the baking soda to work systemically rather than just neutralizing stomach acid. What's happening beneath the surface is remarkable. When your blood becomes too acidic, your body pulls calcium and other minerals from your bones to restore balance. By gently correcting this acidity, baking soda helps preserve your bone density while also reducing that unexplained fatigue many people experience. Participants in the study reported feeling more energetic within weeks of starting this regimen. Important considerations apply here. This isn't a quick fix, but rather a gradual rebalancing of your body's chemistry. Always consult your doctor first, especially if you have heart or kidney conditions. The half-teaspoon dose is carefully calibrated. More isn't better in this case. And remember to maintain good hydration throughout the day to support your kidneys in maintaining this new balance. Number 1. Heart Attack and Stroke Defender. Topping our list at number 1 is baking soda's most profound benefit: its potential to defend against heart attacks and strokes. Groundbreaking research published in Science Translational Medicine uncovered that regular, controlled use of baking soda can reduce dangerous inflammation by 29%. This is significant because chronic inflammation quietly damages blood vessels and is a leading contributor to cardiovascular disease. The preventive protocol is surprisingly simple yet must be followed precisely. Twice weekly, mix 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it slowly. This modest amount, when used consistently under medical supervision, appears to activate special cells that help calm the body's inflammatory response. What makes this particularly remarkable is that it works systemically, potentially benefiting your entire cardiovascular network. It's important to understand why this careful dosing matters. While the anti-inflammatory effects are valuable, baking soda contains sodium that requires monitoring. That's why doctor approval is absolutely essential before beginning this regimen, especially for those with existing heart conditions or high blood pressure. Your physician may want to adjust other medications or monitor your kidney function during use. This approach works best as part of a complete heart-healthy lifestyle that includes proper nutrition, regular movement, and stress management. Think of it as one valuable tool in your prevention toolkit rather than a standalone solution. When used responsibly alongside medical guidance, this humble kitchen staple could become one of your most powerful allies in maintaining lifelong cardiovascular health. Before we finish, there's one crucial safety reminder everyone needs to hear. Never take baking soda within 2 hours of your medications. It can interfere with how your body absorbs important prescriptions. This timing matters for both prescription and over-the-counter drugs, so always space them out properly. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which of these 13 benefits surprised you the most? Maybe you've already tried using baking soda for heartburn relief or soothing itchy skin. Share your personal experiences in the comments below. Your story could help others discover these natural solutions. If you found this information valuable, please take a moment to like this video. It helps us create more content like this. For regular health tips tailored specifically for seniors, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell so you never miss an update. We release new videos every week with practical, science-backed advice to help you live your healthiest life. Finally, consider sharing this video with someone in your life who might benefit. Maybe a friend who struggles with gout or a family member dealing with frequent heartburn. You never know, this simple information could make a real difference in their quality of life. Thank you for watching, and remember, while baking soda offers many potential benefits, it's always wise to consult with your healthcare provider before trying new health strategies, especially if you have existing medical conditions. Here's to your health and well-being.